What the heck are we looking at, man? This stuff is like amazing.
So the production line starts over here. That's raw sheet metal. This is galvanized sheet metal.
What's it used for?
This is used to make ductwork.
Nice.
So this is the start of the process. You can buy it in rolls, or you can buy it in sheets like this, and we buy it in sheets.
Is that 4x8?
This is 5x10.
5x. That's weird.
Yeah, 5x10.
And it goes to the crazy laser cutter thingy.
Plasma cutter.
Plasma cutter.
It's all CNC-programmed. Use a computer to program how it's going to be cut out, and then it's cut out on the table.
Yeah. That is sweet.
So this is the first initial start of how the ductwork is made, and then it goes through a production line with lots of bending and breaking, and using special machines to be able to have seams and connect it together. Like you can upload images off the internet and make
really
cool stuff.
Like,
yeah.
We need to do like a run of like business cards and like.
Yeah.
That'd be sweet.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like fine-tuned like tiny stuff, but we made. I should have shown you my office. There's a huge sign up there. It's got my last name, and the O is our logo. They did it all in there.
Dude, yeah, I've got some uses for that. Oh, check it out, it's your logo.
It's because I cut out stencils with that machine and then they contain them. This is a shear, so you're able to slide the ductwork into it and just slice it instantly up to 4 foot long. Nice break. This is what we call a beater. So you slide the sheet metal through here, and it runs these lines on here. Oh, and all that does is give you rigidity. Yeah, makes it stronger. And that's required to do that on anything over like 16 inches. So this is what we call a finger break, and it's that's what it's called.
Okay.
Because you can see there's little fingers on it, and so you're able to do it like thin metal using a break. Not in some areas that you want to take the piece off.
I got you.
Yeah, the 2 piece right there.
This is about to do the same thing on this side.
Yeah.
So this one is just bending stuff, right? So they're manually bending, or what's happening here?
Over here? No, these are, it turns these edges into where they can have seams, where they can be able to connect something, mechanically fasten it.
Yep.
So you see, just put the edge down, it's a flat edge,
yep.
And then when you come around this side, these are called button lock seams, right? Yes. So there's another piece that's going to connect this later, and they're able to lock together. This is like a female bezel here where you can see that side, the button side, just like this. See the raw edge going in?
Yeah.
And then it comes out hot a little bit. And this is called Pittsburgh Seamer, which is rather mechanically, a way to fasten. So again, you're putting in a raw edge. And this is what we call a power engine. It's another way to mechanically fasten something.
Yeah, so we'll have a flat piece here. Put it in.
So imagine 2 pieces of ductwork. See that edge?
Yeah.
That slides onto there. There's another one here. Makes a
Ties them
connection.
together.
Yep. That's what we call, if you want to internally line it instead of externally line it, that gets glued on the inside of the duct.
Is that for like insulation or?
Yes. Just to give it some value. We just pour these in here. And that thing spins in there and feeds them out down here automatically.
Yeah, so there's a sensor. There's a sensor here actually, so whenever it doesn't detect it, it'll start loading them in.
And then you put, this is for the liner, right?
Yeah, it's for the liner.
So that insulation liner I was speaking of, that you internally put on the duct, you can put that in here, and it pinches this on top of the liner and hits the metal, and it does a spot weld. It melts that to it.
Wow.
So it mechanically fastens all that liner to the ductwork.
That's crazy. So like almost kind of like rivets in a kind of way.
I'll come out here when I'm bored and just watch this thing spin. Oh, I actually ran the spot weld. I guess it's got a sensor. There you go.
HVAC man died.
No, trying for the video.
What is this thing?
This is a spot welder.
Spot welder.
It literally just welds a little tiny spot. Keeps the metal together. Those are 2 separate pieces. Place them in here. Press down. Now it's one solid piece.
It's like a hot glue gun for metal.
Basically.
There's some current through there and basically just melts it together.
Yeah. You ever stuck your finger in there?
Yeah.
Spot weld your fingers together?
No, we take, Daniel's our shop manager, and we seriously, we take safety very seriously out here. Or he does a good job at it. This is a finished piece of ductwork ready to be installed. This is called an offset. Obviously you can see where you connect something the other way, and it kind of offsets it a little bit.
Yeah, so basically all that folding and the metal and the
Yes.
cutting of the metal we did inside now produced something like this.
These are the Pittsburgh seams. Yeah, you can
All
just
the
see how it's
bins.
all, I mean, you cannot take this thing apart now. It is all straight.